Hello everyone, let's see how to calculate gross profit percentage with fixed error in Excel. So you can see I have data, product list, sales amount, cost of goods sold, and here I'm going to calculate first gross profit. Select the cell is equal to select the first sales amount minus select the cost of goods sold and press the enter, and that's it. Here you can see the gross profit here calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you can see the all below cell here fill. Next here I'm going to calculate gross profit percentage. Select the cell is equal to select the gross profit divided by sales amount B2. Okay. Then press the enter, and here you see the percentage is calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you can see data field below the cell. After that, go to the Home tab. In Number Group, click on the percentage sign, and here you can see your gross percentage here showing. So here you can see the error showing. Here, if the sales amount is 0 or blank, Excel cannot divide it by 0 and display a div error. So let's see how it's fix it. So here I show you two different way to fix this error. So let's see the first one. So first select the cell is equal to and type here if and select here the if function. Then select the sales amount B2 is equal to 0, comma 0, comma D2 the gross profit divided by B2 bracket closed. So here you can see this if formula checks to whether the cells is 0. If it is, the Excel returns 0. Otherwise, it calculated the gross profit percentage normally. Understood? After that, press enter. Select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you see. After that, select the entire column, go to the Home tab. In Number Group, click on the percentage sign, and you can see here the 0% is showing instead of this error. Okay. Let's see the next way to fix error with the gross profit percentage. Select the cell is equal to, type if, select the if function, and type here or, select the or function. Then select here the B2 sales amount is equal to double quote, comma. Again select the B2 sales amount is equal to 0, bracket closed, comma, double quote, and type here not calculated, double quote, comma. Select the D2 gross profit divided by B2 sales amount and bracket close. So here you can see this formula first checks whether the cells is a blank or 0. Okay. If either condition is true, Excel display not calculated. Otherwise, it calculated the gross profit percentage normally. Okay. After that, press the enter, and that's it. Select the cell and double click on this corner point, and here you see instead of this error showing here not calculated status. Now select the entire column, go to the Home tab. In Number Group, click on the percentage sign, and here you see. Okay, so let's see one bonus trick to calculate profit status. So here I add one column, profit status. Then I select the cell is equal to, type here if, select the if function. Then select here the gross profit percentage. So here I select the F column. Okay. Then use here the greater than sign is equal to 30%. comma, double quote, type here high margin status, then double quote, comma, double quote, type the low margin status, then double quote, bracket closed. Here you can see in this formula, the first check, the gross profit percentage is greater than is equal to 30%, then status will be high margin, otherwise low margin. So press the enter and here see the low margin. This 25% is not greater than 30%. Okay, so therefore the status here low margin. Select the cell, double click on this corner point and here you can see the high margin 31% showing here and other all are below the 30%, therefore showing the low margin. Okay, suppose if you use this formula in this E column, the gross profit percentage, let's see here the what will get the status in this error. So I select here E2, okay, and press enter. Now select the cell, double click on this corner point. So you can see the error also showing. So it's better to use in F column to calculate profit status. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.